Hello. Welcome Dharma Center. How are you?
Wonderful.
Oh,
See you.
good to see you. Good to see you. Welcome. Hello.
Thank you.
Your first time today here? Yes. Yeah. Please come in. In this area, so many people like Buddhism people live here, and also many Americans, wanted to study Dharma, wanted to practicing. So Gachi Rinpoche, he seeing that he really think in this area have Dharma center is benefit many people, many beings. The DC is in the kind of like the world capital, right? Is all the politicians here. So we needed to teach Dharma, them, and they get maybe more peace arise from the DC to all the global. So that's his wish. That's why we're starting Dharma Center here. We have 1,000 Buddha statues here. And this central Buddha is called Buddha Shakyamuni. It's a founder of the Buddhism. And then on the right side is called Chenrezig. It's actually, he is the compassion Buddha. So in this, on the left side is called White Tara. She is the kind of like long life and also the healing female Buddha. So these two is like when Buddha taught teachings, these two is more benefit to others. So that's why we have these statues in here. Some statue will have names. It's because some sponsors, the sponsor did the statue here, and they wish the board, the Dharma Center, support for Dharma Center, and also one Buddha sponsored, so you can benefit whole 1,000 Buddha is sponsored is the same thing, and also you sponsor one Buddha is like you. The board, this temple is the same benefit. So that's why we, all the students who wish to want to sponsor, they all have opportunity to this sponsor and the different statues. So that's why some already sponsored, we put a name there. We have here tangas, the paintings. It's called the lineage. This is the Buddha Vajradhara. And then this is called Telopa and the Naropa. These two is from India, the city. And these two is become enlightenment after his Marpalosa, this one called Marpalosa. His first Tibetan yogi went to India. He learned from him, Naropa, and then he is become Buddha. So he has, Marpalosa has many disciples, and the lineage holder is called Milarepa. It's yogi of Milarepa. It's the very famous yogi. He has story is beautiful if you read that story. And then it's here, go to the Milarepa's, the student is called Gambopa. And he's the also practitioner and a scholar, and he's the holder of lineage, Milarepa. So Gambopa's student is called Pamotrupa. Pamotrupa's student is Jigten Sumgun. Jigten Sumgun is this temple's with lineage, first the lineage, like first holder of the lineage. He started this like lineage that come from Jigten Sumgun.
So this is a pendant drink, and this is for treat, and that is my assistant.
Many country people come to practicing here, and also I have here every week program. Every month I have special program. So I teach the learning Buddhism. Just I talk about the book, right? So then sometimes I talk about teaching is a stage of meditation. So then sometimes like more high education student, I teach the way of Bodhisattva, some the Buddhism philosophy teachings. And also we practicing here many like Yedam deities. Like we talk about the compassion Buddha, the long-life female Buddha. So we have this also practicing every time, every week here. So please come back.
Of course.
So study Dharma, make inner peace and happiness.
Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah, we have here is called prayer, and has lots of mantra inside there, and you can turning this one clockwise, right direction. So you can get naturally accumulate your merit. Thousands of mantras we have in this this prayer.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Come back.
Thank you for having
Yeah.
us.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you, Kampo.
Yeah.